Hi there. What's happening? Yes. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 4th, 2020. This binary puzzle is the fifth puzzle. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? So let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. In a row or in a column. Yes. Okay, so let's get started. Double 1 here and O and then O. Double 1 here and O then O. Double 1 here and O then O. Double O here and 1 then 1. Double 1 here and O then O. Between double O here and 1 then 1. Double 1 here and O then O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and we have 4 ones here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O here and 1 then 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 then 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. And then. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. I see here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we have a double O here and 1 then 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes exactly. Yes. Wow. I like this binary puzzle. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we go to the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese. So I will see you later. Thank you and bye bye for now.